What's going on, guys? My name's Bill, and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesdays, I like to bring you guys a tool that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects in and around my garage. How many times have you been working on a project, maybe like, let's say up in your master bedroom, and you're putting together, I don't know, some piece of furniture or something for your wife, whatever, your honey-do list. So, you grab your driver, grab your bit, you go upstairs, and you start getting to work, and then you realize, oh, this thing doesn't use Phillips bits, maybe it uses Torx bits, or uses those, square-headed, like deck fastener type bits, or screws, or whatever the case may be. So now you gotta go back down to the garage, you end up grabbing a handful of, let's say, Torx bits, so you don't end up not grabbing the right one. You grab a T10 when you need the T15, whatever. Then you go back upstairs, and you got a handful of bits. It's just a pain. It's just, up and down the stairs. I'm getting too old for that crap. I'd like to have everything I need right there on hand. That's why I picked up this Railer bit set. This is a 20-piece bit set. It's got your Phillips, anything from a 1 to a 3. It's got your standard. It's got a bunch of different Torx bits, and it's got some of the common square-headed bits. And this thing is great. I mean, look at that. The first thing I really like about it, it's small. It's compact. This thing I can easily throw into my tool bag. Doesn't take up any space. Hell, I can clip it to the outside of the tool bag. Out of the way, it's easily accessible. It's small, it's not bulky. Another thing I like, obviously, your bits are contained. They're not coming out of there. I've dropped this thing off of like an 8-foot ladder, I think it was, and it's rubber. It just falls. If it hits the corner, it might bounce, but your bits are not gonna come out. If you've got some of those other bit sets that are maybe like in a hard plastic case, try dropping that off an 8-foot ladder and see what happens. Your case may crack. Bits are gonna go everywhere. You're gonna lose some. You're gonna be hunting them down. Now you're wasting time, you're wasting effort, you're losing tools. This thing, they're not coming out. I mean, that thing they are solidly in there. You go to pull one out, they're not, they're in there. These things are great. Another thing I like about them, they're your normal, I think it's what, a 1/4-inch drive. So if you've got a quick connect, check out the last Tool Tech video, it just pops right in. Easily chucks into a regular driver. It's a quick connect, it's gonna fit. Pop right in, pop right out. This thing is so good, so handy. I think I've got like 3 sets of these things in different spots. I keep one in my toolbox. I keep one in my little tool bag that I grab for most honeydew items. I think I've got another one up in my desk, up in the master bedroom. I mean, these are super convenient. They're not that expensive. Go check them out. I'll leave a link down below to this set specifically. I really like this Railer 20-piece drill bit driver set, whatever. I'll leave a link down below. Go check them out. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.